Happy Saturday, West One. Just here talking obviously about the numbers yesterday and what we're going to achieve this weekend. We really want to see that volume pumped up today. See lots of energy, lots of emails coming out. Really want to see everyone singing and dancing from the same hymn sheet, trying to smash those numbers. So as the boss man said yesterday, every time a store achieves a week and a weekend, whether it be with app downloads, with subs, with regards to our OSAP being above 75, our swipe being above 72, your store name goes into the prize draw then for that £100 of vouchers that he's putting up for grabs. So it's up to us to really go after that there, chase it, have a bit of fun and energy with it. We know what our team's like. If they've got a little bit of an edge and a competitive streak, they will do that. So it'll be interesting to see what we can achieve. Looking at yesterday's numbers, much better day in terms of subs compared to last week. 92 in the first day. If we can keep up that sort of tempo and volume, there's no reason why we can't soar over that 500 mark again this week. Some cracking ones coming through. Coleraine and Canley in 13. Crescent Link in 9, Hinkley in 7, Newton Abbey in 7, Newton Abbey in 11, Rugby in 7, but across the board, great to see. Fantastic sales in terms of 160,000, 23.5% like for like, 2% click and collect yesterday. And in terms of with our green rooms as well, some fantastic numbers coming through there also. The key message has to be, we know what those targets are like. This morning, Coventry and Enniskillen and Ballymena, they're just collating and sending numbers across to myself, and I will get yesterday's grid and table sent out to the area. So if you guys can get that sent across to me, just complete the little table Stephen sent out after midday yesterday and send it across to me this morning, please. That would be much appreciated, just for your key drivers. But in terms of today, let's really have a bit of energy for it. I know last week was a bit of a fool's gold or a false dawn. We sort of started as well and then it sort of went dipped off a cliff. I think it's us that needs to create that energy, us that needs to create that momentum, and us that needs to start continuously talking about it, send those emails out and getting that little bit of a ball rolling, shall we say. I also want to touch on Puppy and Kitten. Had a really productive meeting with the project group yesterday. I will be speaking again at length. I spoke already to some of the struggling stores and bottom 3 stores with that one. However, what I really would like to see over the next course of the week, we have some incentives and prizes coming with this one, is any Puppy and Kitten conversions that you get, why don't we try and make it interactive? Why don't we try and get a customer's pick or their pet's pick, socially distanced of course, with that conversion and the new member of our puppy club or kitten club, and let's get it on the Sap Jam, something like that there. Let's make it interactive. Obviously what we're doing isn't always working in terms of whether we have store incentives going or games or whatever we have running. Let's make it a bit more interactive for the team. We're out there talking to these customers. Let's embrace it. Let's share our success stories. Let's get some kitten and puppy pics on Sap Jam, socially distanced, guidelines being adhered to obviously, but once we've got them signed up to say, look, would you mind? I'm sure customers would love that there. Let's share in our success. Let's really make us a success with it. Let's see those numbers rise, and let's see those 10 stores who are hitting Puppy and Kitten turn into the 21 that we all know it needs to be. Have a fab Saturday, guys. Let's see the emails getting boomed out. Let's see the volume being pumped up. Let's smash a week and a weekend and have fun with it. I'm just going to leave you with this to get your teams going. Don't you know, pump it up. Get the volume pumped it up. Have fun. Pump up them numbers. G out.